start ko lang din kasi theater, so medyo bago pa po ako sa community na to. Pero I wanted to start theater when I was 2 years old, pero wala po akong mahanap na kasi nga hindi pa siya ganun ka booming theater sa Philippines. And now I'm very happy and excited sa future ng theater here in the Philippines. Kasi ngayon, medyo nabubuhay na siya sa Philippines. So, sana marami pa po makadiscover sa kanya yung Philippines. And sana mas marami pa po ma-entertain ng theater.
Just to add to that din po, this is actually my first theater production, and at the same time, graduate po ako ng theater degree. And yung biggest hope ko talaga sa theater community sa Pilipinas is sana mas accessible, and which is actually happening. Like there's a theater at the mall, which is great, and accessible also in the sense na mas dumami yung mga local theater companies. It's one of the reasons why I'm so grateful to be a part of Ephesus and being here na sa mga local na theater community here. So yeah, that's one of the things that I'm really hopeful for. That's more accessible theater companies, more accessible theater shows dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang sa NCR, hopefully hindi lang sa NCR, pero sana sa mga iba't ibang sulok ng bansa. You know?
And well, my hope for theater in the future is that dapat suportahan tayo ng gobyerno. Kasi sa Europe, sa US, may merong big part ng budget actually ng government nila ay napupunta sa arts. So my hope for theater in the Philippines ay dapat big part ng budget ng gobyerno natin ay mapunta sa arts. At saka maging tayo, we can, a big thriving community na parang Broadway. Kung may Broadway sa New York, may West End sa London, dapat meron din dito sa Philippines that, tourists will come just to watch shows here in the Philippines. Because we are a world-class talent.
Isa lang yun sa akin, prayer ko lang sana, because I'm very supportive to the artists. Actually, if you notice, they are not tagged as a big star na kagad. They came from the scratch. Hindi ba scratch, but I mean, they came from, na-discover ko lang through audition. Ang gusto ko lang sana supportahan ninyo yung talagang talent. Kasi ang dami talagang starving artists po sa atin na hindi nabibigyan. And then, ang marami bumibili ng ticket dahil may pangalan nito, anak to ni ganito, anak to ni gano'n. I'm sorry po, I'm very vocal with this. Dahil naiiyak ko, dahil yung nga lang kami nagbibenta kami ng 500 or 1,000 dahil wala kaming big star or something. Hindi kami makabenta. And dapat ma-break yan. Hindi naman, so hindi ba dapat ma-break yan sa that to support, if you really want to support theater, kaya si Hoda pang tagad dyan lang yan, sa theater mo lang yan, kailangan supportahan po natin. Dahil sayang sayang. Talent talaga pinag-usapan.
Mike,